Hello. Happy new month. Today is 1st of September 2023. Happy new month. Why do I look like this? I'm about to film a video. Guys, this is not proper makeup. Like, all that you can see on my face is powder. Thank God for the rough brows that are currently trending. I didn't conceal. I just used pencil and outlined my brows. Finish. Used powder on my whole face. Used white powder under my eye and highlighted. Then did my lips. That's all. So I want to film a video now. So as you can see, I'm shining because we have light now. We've not had light for over a month, probably almost 2 months. I'm not sure the timeline, but we've not had light for quite some weeks. And yeah, the light came sometime this week. Yeah, so I want to film a video now, and today has been a productive day. Honestly, I'm so grateful for today. Guys, I've been in my slow girl era. Like, you know when you're just lazing and lounging around, that's what I've been doing. And like, now that there's light, I'm going to be indoor more often. Yes, so I'm a person that, except I have a reason, no, I rarely step out. But due to this no light issue and all of that, like, I'm always going out, because when I don't have light, I'm not productive at all. Like, I can't, like, my phone is dead, my laptop, power bank, like, it's not possible. So like, I'm always out, like I'm just always somewhere else outside my own house. So I think I'm about to be in my quiet moment, or quiet, I'm about to enter like my quiet zone, because I don't have a reason to go out now. Like, I'm literally here in this house. And I woke up this morning, I cleaned, not really clean, I'm cleaning tomorrow. Guys, I have this urge to, when I want to do something, I go all in, like do everything at the same time. Clean the whole of my house, sweep, mop, wash my bathroom, do my laundry, wash, like clean everywhere, dust everywhere. Like, then I'll just be so exhausted, because I can go like maybe 5 hours straight or so, like just getting busy up and down. But today I told myself, no, learn to break down, learn to like break down your. So I decided I did my laundry this morning. I washed beans. I'm going to cook moi. After I'm done filming the video, then I'll go grind the beans and cook the moi. Yeah, but yeah, so I just washed the beans, I washed my bathroom, I did my laundry, then film video. If I'm able to film, edit and upload the video I want to film today, then I think some of my major goal was like laundry, cook moi, and film, edit and upload this video. So those are the 3 major goals I have today. So I've smashed 1.5, and it's, I think, probably past 12 or to 1 now. So let me smash the remaining. I've been talking for long. Guys, let's get about our business. Oh well, guys, I just grinded my beans. I'm sorry, I wanted to show you guys before going to grind, but just beans, onions and pepper, that's all. So this is it. It's not much, but it's not much, but all of a sudden it looks a bit swollen. Anyways, that's fine. So let me just put everything I'm supposed to put and start boiling immediately. Well, I'm done filming my video. I cleaned my lips, but I'm done filming my video, guys, and I'm trying to like just listen to it play, so that the editing is not much. I'm just going to cut out. Hopefully when I put the whatever on fire, the 1 hour is going to be on fire. I'm just going to cut out all the excesses, immediately make thumbnail and all of that. But I really enjoyed it. The title of the video is like lessons I learned from my no longer existent business, something like that. Just lessons I learned from my business, guys. And I'm listening to myself, and it's like I'm having a conversation. I'm enjoying it. So if you've not watched it, I think I'll leave a link below. Watch it and enjoy it. Yeah, let's get this moi done already. Just like this, because I'm going for a wedding. I don't know who is getting married, but somebody is getting married. My mom called me. She's already at the church service. I'll just meet them at the reception ground. My mom, my cousin's mom is there. I think it's a family. Somebody shared. I think it's related to my family is getting married. And honestly, I just wanted to wear like a two-piece trouser and well, it's a rule here, you have to kind of look traditional, so I'm wearing this. Yeah, and guys, I love rings. I like wearing rings. It's just that it's been a while. So when I was trying to pick a jewelry, I saw these two, and I'm like, I'll wear them. Yeah, I'll wear them. So let's go for wedding. My lips look weird, but I'm not wearing makeup or anything, so I just decided to wear this nude color, whatever. And I didn't like my lips, so trust me, guys, it looks nice in the mirror. I don't know why the camera is looking like they use something to hit my mouth. Well, if it really looks that bad, I'll just wear lip gloss like my normal uniform. If not, let's go. The wedding was nice. I vlogged just few clips, but I had fun. Like a lot of my cousins were there, my aunties, like a lot of family was there. It's basically like family's wedding. And guys, well, there was a bad news towards the end, but that's fine. God is still faithful. Another thing is, guys, I don't know how I feel. I'm supposed to be fasting, but I'm back home with a very full belly. A very, very full belly. What happened to the fast? God, I'll still pray though. I'll still pray later. But I went to find party jollof. It was after I finished eating and whining and dining and having fun. My mommy was not like, I could have still decided not to eat. That would have been a huge sacrifice I would have made for the fast, and making it like look like, oh, God would have honored that sacrifice. And I don't feel bad, like God still hear the prayer. I'll pray later on. Some days are like that though, some days are like that. I'll still pray nonetheless, even though I broke my fast around 3 or so. But the wedding was good. No jokes, it was good. Thank God. Happy married life to the couple. Guys, till tomorrow. I'll be till when next I pick my camera. I'm sorry for all the noise ahead of time. There are quite a number of kids playing outside this window. So I want to make okra. This is 100 naira okra. I just stepped out and I got this okra. Guys, I just packed it. I'm just hoping that it's not hard. I'll be able to like cut it and it will still be slimy. But I'm just making small okra. This is my beef. I've washed it already. I'm just about to spice it and boil it. So small beef, because the okra is not much. I don't want to eat this okra more than like 2 times or 3 times maximum. Then I have soup. This is ginger powder. This is soup spice. This soup spice is kind of tasty, so I'm just going to use 2 Maggi cubes. That's all. Crayfish small, because I have beef already. I don't want the soup to be smelling crayfish all over the place. It's small soup. Then I got yellow pepper, 15 naira worth of yellow pepper. This red one I had it ever since, but I got 15 naira worth of yellow pepper. I don't really like using onions for my soup, but these small onions, I'm going to put it in the beef. That's for the beef. Then I think I should have dry bitter leaf somewhere. I want to put dry bitter leaf. If I don't find the dry bitter leaf, or if I realize I've run out of dry bitter leaf, I'm going to use this garden egg, or gauta as we call it, because I just want that bitter taste. Small. Yeah, so I think, except I'm forgetting anything, but this should be all I need for my soup. So I'm going to pound the crayfish with the yellow pepper. I'm not using all of this pepper, guys. I'm not using all. I'm going to pound crayfish and yellow pepper, spice my beef and put it on fire like right about now, then attend to this. Oh well, we have a decent amount of okra here, and only these 2 were hard, so that's great. Like, I'm so grateful for that. So I'm still going to pound these guys. Normally I would have grated it. This is the only grater I have, and with this grater, the bristles, that be whatever this is called, is flat. It's like getting so weak, and it's so tiny. The last time I grated carrot on this thing, the carrots were so tiny, like it was not the size. It wasn't giving. It will just give me problems. So the easiest thing I want to do is just to pound this so that it will be fine now. Guys, tell me why I forgot that I was supposed to put that one inside my soup. I've been looking for bitter leaf, and then I saw this and remembered. So Yoruba people will call this iru, but it's called dadawa. In my tribe it's called nin. Is it? Yes, nin. Then in outside it's called dadawa. And so yeah, our own is flat. It's not like the one that is single. This broke. So I'm going to be using this, and these are like very minute. They are very small in size, these very ones, but we have other ones that are like bigger. I know. So yeah, I'm going to use 4. So I didn't find dry bitter leaf. There's fresh bitter leaf outside. Like, there's one tree I can easily go pluck from, but I don't want to wash bitter leaf. So I'm just going to make the okra soup like that without bitter leaf. I think I will just pound this one garden egg, and I think it will be too much, so I'll use like half of that and just pound and put in my soup. I don't even have ugu. It's quite late. The woman that has a table beside my house, I think she has closed, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. If she has not closed, I'll buy 15 naira ugu if she has. If she doesn't have 15 naira ugu, 100 naira will be too much for me. Yeah. Let me figure myself out first. So I changed pots because I don't want it to boil over and spill when I put the okra. So I'll just put this into this and let it boil some more. I don't want my soup to not be slimy. When you keep dipping spoon inside raw soup, it cuts. It's no longer slimy. You now have a vegetable soup that's supposed to be slimy, and I don't want that. So I'm going to let it boil like this till it's almost done before I mix it. So point has been made. Time to mix it. Guys, I don't like my okra soup with oil. Like, I don't like it. So I put my okra soup white. And I'm not making Yoruba okra soup that you make the soup white, like nothing at all, then come and make a stew and put on top. Now, I've gotten used to it. Like initially at first, like it was so ridiculous. Like, why would you make soup white and eat it with stew? But I stayed so long with them that like I've gotten used to their soup with stew. Ewedu, I really love their ewedu so much. So yeah, this is the okra, and you bet. So it's done. The okra strands, they don't look completely done, but I also don't want it completely done. It's vegetable. The remaining, this thing will cook up the rest. So yeah guys, this is my salon. I'm about to dig in. I need to, it was getting late, I could not film anymore, but I'm about to dig in. Right. I'm tempted to do the little happy dance, but I just remember the comment Bosola left on my last vlog. There's this weird little happy dance you do whenever the first bite hits, actually. It's been so long I ate swallow. It's been like so long. So I'm happy. Please, let me enjoy my meal in peace. Good night, guys.